So this is just a simple setup that I use for storage. Here I'm using it for sanding belts and fishing rods. But it's easy, it's fast, and it's cheap, and I'll show you how I do it. And the first thing I do is find the stud and mark an X right in the center. And then I move along and find the next stud, mark an X in the center. And this is the board I'm going to be using. And then next I'm going to attach a few pieces of this double-sided tape. And then I'll go in and peel off the backing. So here we have the two X's marking where the studs are located. Then we're going to go ahead and stick this board onto the wall. So this is the bit that I'm going to use to drill the pilot hole, and then these are the screws I'm going to use to drill into the board. You can see the threads stick out just a little bit past the bit, so that's a good size. I'm going to go with that one. Next we'll drill the pilot hole and we'll line it up with that X that's marking the center of the stud. And then I'll go ahead and do the same thing with the second one. Then next we'll go ahead and screw it all in. And then these are the screw hooks that I'm going to use. Then we'll drill out the pilot hole for the screw hook. And then I just set the rod on the floor and then lean it into the hook. And then there it is, all finished. So I did the same thing with these belts. The only difference is I hung the hooks up at a little bit more of an angle. All right, so there it is. I know it's super simple, but it's something that I wanted to share. I hope it helps somebody out, and thanks for watching.